Professional service is the story of a personal injury attorney. He wasn't getting seen anywhere when he started. With mostly red pins and an occasional light green pin, but when we were done with him, in a few short weeks, he is shining like a beacon and showing up as number one in 12 locations with only 2 red to orange spots. This is a huge advantage to his firm, isn't it? He is now enjoying that much more exposure and getting leads, calls and clients from that much more radius in his area where each pin represents 1 square mile. 2. Business Services Commercial Real Estate Agency. Here is his story. He got 300% more calls after we worked with him. Would you like more calls and better conversion? More reach equals more revenue. Remember, page 1 presence plus extended reach plus higher conversion equals higher revenue. 3. Retailer, a hearing aid store. 4. Home Services Pro, a roofer. See how he lights up. 5. A dentist starting out. We'll share with you how he fared. We want these results to be you and for your water damage company.